So greetings to you all. Welcome to grade 8 tutor. Today we are going to look at business maths assignment 1. That is question 2. We are done with assignment 1 question 1. So now we are going to look at assignment 1 question 2. Okay. Yeah, so we have the questions on our screens. It says Malcolm Supermarket has branches in most of the major cities in Ghana. To encourage hard work and efficiency, the company pays the following commission to its agents and staff. So when you look into the table, we have basic salary for supervisors, that is 1,200. Then we also have basic salary for staff, which is 700. We have personal quota for staff, 8,500. We have personal commission rate, which is 4.25% for sales up to 40,000. Okay. We have bonus to be 1,200 flat for excess sales above 47,500. We have store quota to be 70,000. We have store quota to be 70,000. We have store returns to be 15,000. We have override to be 2.75. Okay. So we are going to use this preamble to answer 10 questions under it. Okay. So let's start with question I. Let's start with I. So the I says, what is the personal commission amount? Not personal commission. This is personal commission what? Amount for a staff of Malcolm who makes a sale of 18,500. So the person's personal sale is what? 18,500. So we see personal sale equals what? 18,500. So this 18,500. How do you calculate for commission amount? They said we should calculate for commission amount, and so we say commission amount is equal to your sales minus what? Quota. So if returns exist, it becomes what? Sales minus quota minus what? Returns. But because in the question we don't have returns, personal returns for the person, it is going to be sales minus what? Quota, right? So we say commission amount is equal to, what is the sales? That is 18,500. 18,500 minus the quota is what? 8,500. Okay. 8,500. So if you subtract the two, you are going to get commission amount to be 10,000 Ghana cedis. Okay, so we have 10,000 Ghana cedis. You can add 0.00 to it. You can choose to ignore. So we are done with question 1. This is commission amount. But if it was to be personal commission, then you multiply this by the commission rate, right? But then it is just commission amount. So you end here. Now let's move on to question II. Let's move on to the II. It says, how much commission will a staff make if he or she makes a sale of 17,000? Okay, so this one, the personal sale is what? 17,000. Personal sale is equal to 17,000. Okay, then we are to calculate for what? Commission. We have the quota in the question, which is personal quota for staff 8,500. We have the commission rates. Okay, we don't have any returns or nothing, and this sale is not even exceeding the 40,000. They said the sale should be up to 40,000. So it means if it is more than 40,000, we have to ignore it. Okay, yes. So this one is not up to. So we quote the formula for commission. That is sales minus what? Quota multiplying our commission rates or rates. Okay, so the commission here is equal to the personal sales, which is 17,000, minus the quota from the question, which is 8,500 Ghana cedis. So we say 8,500 Ghana cedis. Okay, then we multiply it by the rate given, which is 4.25% or 0.0425. So 4.25%. Okay, but most of the time it is better you convert this to decimal to be 0.0425. okay, so we have 17,000, right, minus 8,500 multiplying our 4.25%. okay, and what do we have? We have 361.25. so our commission here is equal to 361.25. Is that okay? So we are done with the second one. This is our commission. And now let's move on to the third question. Okay, so the third question also says, if a staff makes a sale of 24,500, so the personal sale for that particular staff, personal sale is equal to 24,500. so we have 24,500. okay, and has a draw of 350. so draw is what? 350. What will be his or her net earning? Okay, so we are to calculate for the person's net earning. And how do we calculate for the net earning? The net earning, let's quote the formula first. The net earning is equal to our gross earning or total earning minus draw. And so how do you also calculate for the gross earning? The draw has already been given in the question, so we are going to calculate our gross earning, then we do the necessary deductions. So gross earning equals the person is a staff, so the person is likely to earn salary plus commission. Okay, salary plus commission, then plus bonus or anything. Do you get it? Yes, but from the question, salary is in the question, and it says if a staff make a sale of, so the person made a sale, so likely he's going to get what? A commission, right? So that is what we are going to do now. You can also check this with the bonus quota. If the person exceeds the bonus quota, then you give the person bonus, but the sale is less than the bonus quota, so let's carry on. The gross earning will just be the salary plus the commission. Okay, so we have the salary already. Let's calculate for the commission. Commission is also equal to sales minus quota times the rates or the commission rates. So our commission here is equal to, what is the personal sales? 24,500. so we have 24,500 minus the quota, which is 8,500 in the question. Okay, so 8,500. Then we multiply it by what? The rates, which is 4.25%. Okay, So if we punch this on the calculator, what are we getting? 680. Let's confirm from here. 24,500 minus 8,500 multiplying 4.25%. So 680 is correct. So we say our commission is equal to 680 Ghana cedis. Okay, so that is it for question for commission. So let's then calculate for the gross earning, then we do the deductions. So gross earning here will be equal to the salary, which is basic salary for staff, 700 Ghana cedis. So the 700 Ghana cedis plus the commission, which is 680, right? So your gross earning in this case will be the total is going to give you what? 1,300. So you have 1,300 as your gross earning, then 1,380, right? Your 680 plus 700, 1,380 is going to be 1,380. Okay, so your net earning, you just deduct the drawings from it. So it is going to be 1,380 minus the drawings, which is 350. Okay, so finally our net earning here is equal to 1,030. 1,030. Okay, so we are done with question 3. Let's move on to question number 4. So question number 4, it says, what is the store commission amount if the store sales for the period is 112,550? Okay, so question 4, IV. You were given what? Store sales. And that was 112,550, right? Yeah, that is correct. So how do you calculate for the store commission amount? Store commission amount is the same as the procedure is the same as how we calculate for personal commission amount. Okay, like how we did for question 1, that is just sales minus quota, right? Then if returns exist, minus returns, and that one will give you your commission amount. So the store commission amount is equal to your store sales minus store quota. Okay, then you check from the question, do you have store returns? Yes, if you have store returns, you take that one from it as well. Store returns, right? Okay, so we say store commission amount you are not going to multiply it by rate. When you multiply it by rate, you get the override amount. Okay, so store commission amount is equal to, now what is our store sales? 112,550 minus, now check from the question, what is the store quota? 70,000. Okay, we have 70,000 here, minus the store returns, which is 15,000. Okay, 15,000. So we see store commission amount is equal to. So now when we subtract everything, what do we have? One, 12550 minus 70,000 as our quota minus 15,000 as the store returns. Okay, so we have 27,550. So 27,550 as the store commission amount. Is that okay? Then we move on to V. Okay, and so that one too, from the question, we have Humara is a supervisor. How much override does she make if the store sales in a particular period is 130,500? So store sales is equal to 130,500. Okay, so we are to calculate for the override because they said Humara is what? A supervisor. Okay, so how do we then calculate for the override? We know our override commission. Our override commission is equal to what? The store sales minus store quota minus store returns, because store returns was given, so minus store returns, then you multiply it by the override rates. Is that okay? So our override or the override commission, the store sales is 130,500. Okay, minus store quota from the question is 70,000. Store quota from the question is 70,000 minus store returns 15,000, all in one bracket, multiplying the rates. So the override rate in the question is 2.75%. 2.75%. So you put everything on the calculator. You have 130,500 minus 70,000 minus 15,000. Okay, so you have 45,500. Then you multiply it by 2.75%. Okay, so now we have what? 1,251.25 as our override commission. So override commission is equal to 1,251.25. Okay, so we are done with question V. Now let's move on to question number 6, or VI. Okay, so this one also says, how much is Humara's take home for the period? So when we say take home is the same as what? Net earning. Okay, it's the same as net earning. So they want us to calculate for Humara's what? Net earning. And so here Humara has not made what? Any sale, so we are not going to give him any commission, right? But because she is a supervisor, we are going to give her a salary and what? An override, right? So take home is equal to your gross earning or the total earning minus your drawing, right? Minus your draw. Okay. So the gross earning here is going to be gross earning is going to be the salary and what? The override, right? So salary and override, because she did not make any sale, so she's not going to get any commission, right? So salary plus the override that we have calculated for this question is for Himara. So override, is that okay? So we have the salary already in the question. Let's calculate for the override, then we add up. So the override commission or override is equal to, at every point in time you quote the formula. So store sales minus store quota minus store returns times the override rates. So your override commission will be equal to the store sales for Humara. Oh, sorry, the override was already given here, right? So there's no need for us to even calculate for the override, right? So we are going to bring the override commission here straightforward so that we continue with our calculation. So the override commission is equal to, this for Humara, so we bring it here, 1,251.25. So since we have it and we have the salary in the question, his total earning or the gross earning will be what? The salary. So because she's a supervisor, the salary will be 1,200. Okay, so 1,200 plus the override, which is 1,251.25. Is that okay? So in all, our gross earning is going to be 1,200 plus 1,251.25. Is that okay? So we have 2,451.25. So 2,451.25 as the gross earning. So the take home, which is the net earning, will be this minus the draw, but no draw was given, 451.25. So no draw was given, so we say minus 0 Ghana cedis. Okay, so the take home or the net earning will be the same as the gross earning. Okay, so 2,451.25. When you get here, you know that the person has no drawings. So if you choose to leave it here, it means you only calculated for what? The gross earning, right? So even if there is no drawings, you still have to what? Proceed to arrive at what? Take home. Is that okay? Yes. So don't mind if the take home is the same as the gross earning. It means the person did not borrow from what? The company, or did not take any money from the company. Okay. So that is question number 6. Now let's move on to question number 7. Okay. So question number 7, what are we supposed to do? Muntaka made a sale of 55,500 500, and there is a personal return, right? So this is personal sales for him, and this is another one. So we come here for question number. This is question number 6. Here for question number 7. Question number 7. Okay. So question number 7. Muntaka made a sale of 55,500. So he made a sale of 50. So there is personal sale. You write that one. Personal sale, of which we know to be what, 55,500. 500. Sorry, 500. And there is what? Personal returns, right? So personal return of 4,000. So aside this, personal return of what? 4,000 Ghana cedis. What is his gross earning? Okay, so because it was not stated that Muntaka is a supervisor, we assume that he is what? A staff. Do you get it? So his gross earning is going to be his salary plus, because he made a sale, plus what? Commission. Then we compare the commission to the bonus quota. If he qualifies for bonus, then we will give him what? A bonus. Is that okay? So let's first calculate for, since we have the salary from the question is 700 Ghana cedis. The salary is 700 Ghana cedis. Okay. Then commission, right? So commission here is equal to sales minus what? Quota. Sorry, sales minus quota minus returns. You can say it that way. Minus returns times what? Your rates. Right, this is the general formula. And mind you, I said it in assignment 1 that anytime you have personal returns, what do? We calculate for the net sale before we calculate for commission, right? So since he has personal return, we are going to subtract the personal return from his personal sale. Then any amount left, we will use that one to calculate a commission and give it to him. Okay, so let's calculate for the net sale before we proceed on to the commission. So the net sale is equal to the personal sale minus the personal return. Okay, then we can say the net sale is equal to, the personal sale was given as 55,500 minus the personal return, which is 4,000. Okay, so when you subtract the two, this is 4,000. So you are going to get 51,500. Let's verify. 55,500 minus 4,000. 51,500. So net sale here is equal to 51,000 what? 500. So this is what we are going to use as his what? Sale, right? So just compare this to the bonus quota, whether he qualifies for a bonus. So you see that they said bonus 1,200 flat for excess sales above 47,500. So with this, he qualifies for what? A bonus, right? Okay. So we are going to give him a bonus of what? 1,200 flats. So 1,200 flats because he exceeded what? The bonus quota. Now another thing, before we calculate for commission, it is what? Sales minus quota, right? But this is the sales that we are going to use. But when you check from the question said what? 4.25% for sales up to, you see there is up to, so up to 40,000. So it means no one can cross what? The 40,000. If you sell more than the 40,000, those excess amounts on the 40,000 will not be calculated for. So it means we cannot use the whole of this amount to calculate for the commission. All that we can do is all the excess amounts on the 40,000, we have to throw it away, then use the 40,000 as our sales, then we use that one to calculate for our commission. Is that okay? So if you exceed 40,000, you will use 40,000 as your sales, your highest sales. Is that okay? So our commission is equal to sales minus what? Quota times the commission rates. Okay, so we can also quote it again that our commission is equal to, now we are not going to use this as our sale because of the restrictions over there, so we have to use the 40,000. So 40,000 minus the personal quota for the staff, which is 8,500. 8,500 multiplying what? The rates, which is 4.25%. 4.25%. Okay, so we have 40,000 minus 8,500 multiplying 4.25%. Okay, then we have 1,338 as our commission. We have 1,338.75 as our what? Commission. So now we have the salary, we have the commission. He is not a supervisor, he also has what? Bonus. So we are just going to add everything. Okay, so the gross earning for Muntaka is equal to the salary plus the commission plus the bonus. Okay, so gross earning here is equal to, the salary is what? 700 Ghana cedis. 700 Ghana cedis. And the commission is what? The commission is here 1,338.75 plus the bonus is what? 1,200 flats. So 1,200. Okay, so let's sum up everything. We have 700 plus 1,338.75 plus 1,200, so which will give us 3,238.75. So we have the gross earning for Muntaka to be 3,238.75, right, as his gross earning. So we are done with question number 7. Let's move on to question 8. Question 8. It says, how much will a supervisor who make a personal sale of 35,000 earn in all, right? So earn in all means what? The gross earning of that particular person in question. Okay, so if the store sales for the same period is 136,500, okay, so here they want us to calculate for the person's what? Gross earning. The person's gross earning. So that is question number 8. Then I. Okay. Then I. So what is the person's sale? We have 35,000. So the personal sale here is what? The personal sale here is question 8, 35,000. Okay. Then and in all, if the store sale for the same period is 136,500, and store sales was also given. Store sales was giving us 136,500. Okay, so in all, and the person is a supervisor, so what do you think the person will earn? The person is going to get a salary because the person made a sale. The person is going to get what? A commission as well. The person is a supervisor, so the person has to get what? An override. Then we check with the person's sale. If the person's sale meets the bonus quota, then we give the person bonus. But if it does not, then we ignore. Okay, yeah, but since it does not meet the bonus quota, we ignore that one. So we have the salary already to be, because he's a supervisor, he's going to earn 1,200 salary. Okay, so we have to calculate for the commission and the override. So we say commission is equal to what? Sales minus quota. He has no returns, right? Let me check. Yes, there's no returns in the question. So sales minus quota times the rates. Okay, so we say commission is equal to, what is the personal sale? 35,000 minus the quota was given in the question, that is 8,500. You are using the same quota, which is 8,500 for both the staff and the supervisors. Okay, so don't forget about that. 8,500 as the quota, then you multiply it by the commission rates, the same commission rate, which is 4.25. okay, so 4.25%. okay, so we see 35,000 minus 8,500 times 4.25%. okay, we have 1,126.25 for our commission. Okay, so commission here is equal to 1,126.25. Then let's calculate for the override, then that will be all. So the override commission is also equal to our store sales minus store quota minus store returns times our override rate. Okay, so when you come here, we say override is equal to, now what is the store sales given? 136,500, right? So we have 136,500, okay, minus the store quota. It was given in the question, which is 70,000. So you have 70,000 there. Then you also have the store returns. Don't forget 15,000. Okay, so 15,000 multiplying your override rates in the question, which is 2.75%. Okay, so here we say 136,500 minus 70,000 minus 15,000, like this. Then you multiply it by our 2.75%. Okay, so we have 1,416.25 as our override. So we have 1,416.25 as the override. Then the gross earning is equal to the salary. Did we quote the formula for the gross earning? No. So let's quote it here. The salary plus commission. The salary plus commission plus the override. Okay. So our gross earning is equal to, the salary is 1,200, okay, plus the commission, which is also 1,100 and what's 1,126, 1,126, okay, 0.25 plus 1,416.25. So our gross earning in all will be, it will be 1,200 salary plus 1,126.25 plus 1,416.25. okay, so you have it to be 3,742.50, okay, as the gross earning for that supervisor. Is that okay? So let's move on to the last two questions, then we are done. Okay, so question 9, which is IX. It says, if store returns in a period amounted to 25,000 Ghana cedis. So store returns amounted to what? 25,000. Okay, and total store sales was 100,000. We have the store sales to be 100,000. Okay, how much override will the supervisor earn? Okay, so you see, when you are calculating for override, you use the store sales, you use the store returns, and you use, how do we call it, the store quota, right? So here they said, how much override will the supervisor earn? Okay, we have the store quota in the question already. We have the store returns. Now they said the store returns has amounted to 25,000 instead of the 15,000 in the question. and the store sales within that period is 100,000. Okay, so override is equal to our store sales minus store quota minus store returns. Okay, then we multiply it by what? Our override rates. Is that okay? As simple as that. Then we say our override commission is equal to the store sales was given us 100,000 minus the store quota from the question. That one did not change, so that is 70,000. 70,000 minus the store returns amounted to what? 25,000. Then we multiply it by our override rate, which is 2.75%. Okay, so in this case our override is going to be 100,000, which is the store sales, minus 70,000 store quota minus 25,000 store returns. Then you multiply it by 2.75%. Okay, so you have 137.5. You have 137.5. 137.50 as the override. Okay, so that is question 9. So the final question for the day is very short, a short one, which says, what is the minimum amount of the personal sales a staff has to sell to earn a bonus? So it means, what is the person supposed to sell, or how many sales should the person make in order for the person to earn a bonus? So now, what is the bonus quota? We check for the bonus quota first. Bonus quota, and that is 47,500. 47,500. So this 47,500 means you must exceed this amount in order to earn what? A bonus commission, or in order for you to earn a bonus. Is that okay? And you know, in our currency we have 1 pesewa, 2 pesewas, 3 pesewas, till you get to what? 10 pesewas, going to 1 cedi and the rest. Okay, so you are supposed to make a sale of 47,500.01, because after this amount, the next amount that comes is what? 0.01, before you come to 0.02, like that, until you get to the tens, the hundreds and thousands. I hope you get that. So you are supposed to make 47,500.01 in order to get what? A bonus. Is that okay? And so this brings us to the end of the assignment 2. Okay, welcome again to grade 8 tutor. I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.